Why in this generation, if they do Reverend Father transfer inside village church, that Reverend Father no go happy? Or if they do some pastors transfer inside village, that pastor will not be happy. Then go to start verse. They will not be happy that the bishop or the general overseer do them transfer inside village, because they know say inside village they will not make money as they are making in township. They want township to make money because their heart desire is for use Christianity to make money. Their heart desire is not to win souls as the area Christians. The area Christians, some of them travel far away from London, come to Africa, inside village preaching the gospel. Area Christians, their heart desire is for them to win souls for Christ, win souls, preach the gospel. But in this generation, many pastors not like to pastor inside the village. They not like to pastor inside the village. Even though if they do them transfer inside the village, they will be struggling to come out from that village, or they go resign, go open their own church in township, because their heart desire is to use the work of God to make money. But in the beginning, it was not so. In the beginning, it was not so. Many ministers of God, they are running away from village. They are running away. They don't want to open church inside the village. They don't want to stay in that place to pastor, because they know say people know plenty. They no go make money. They need to go to township to make money with the work of God. But that place you call township, that place you call township, before when the area Christians came, that place is like village. That place is like village before that place start developing, open like a township. Before that place they like village. That place is village before. But people came that place, preach gospel, pastoring that place. But now you are running away from inside the village to go and preach the gospel, to stay that place. If they do you transfer inside the village, you go to verse. If they tell you to go to pastoring inside the village, you start verse, because your heart desire is not to work for God. Your heart desire is to make money. John Knox prayed, said, Lord, give me Scotland or I die. John Knox was asking the Lord for the people of Scotland to know him, for the people of the Scotland to be saved. That is why he prayed and said to the Lord, give me Scotland or I die. The population of the sinners, there are many in Scotland. John Knox has seen the people of Scotland living in sinful life, and John Knox prayed, Lord, give me Scotland. He was praying, Lord, give me the souls of these people. Let these people repent. I want them to repent. I want my people to repent. That is the heart desire of John Knox. That is why he prayed, Lord, give me Scotland or I die. John Knox and same people living in a sinful life in Scotland, and he know that when these people will die, they will perish, and he want them to know Christ. That is why he pray for the souls. He cry for the souls. Lord, give me Scotland or I die. He want these people to repent. He want draw